Dear students, we are in Eamcet mathematics. We are in 2B ellipse. Okay, this is the last class. We will complete this class with 5 more questions from question number 21 to 25. Okay, see question number 21. If x by a plus y by b is equal to root 2, then touches. That means this is a line. Why? Because see here x square is not there. This is not an ellipse. This is simply a line. X by a plus y by b is equal to root 2 touches the ellipse. This is ellipse. Why? Because x square is there. Okay. Then its eccentric angle theta is, see, eccentric angle means theta. Theta we have to find. You see, how we are going to find this? Is there any formula? Yes, formula is there. That formula I am writing. What means formula, like what we can say? One theory or something like. Okay, see what I am writing. If x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 is an ellipse, tangent is there, the tangent equation, see this is ellipse, so I don't write again ellipse, but tangent I am writing, tangent. See tangent equal to I am writing, equal to or implies. Tangent for this one, what is this? You see, x by a plus y by, x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta is equal to 1. Okay? From this you can get the angle. How we are going to get the angle? I am going to explain you. Why? Because x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta equal to 1 in the form you have to write. See, now you tell me, is this the line? Line only. Why? Because square is not there. Line. Tangent means always line only. Tangent cannot be curved. Okay? Okay. Now you see, you compare this with this one. X by a plus y by b is equal to root 2. If you compare, see here 1 is not there. Root 2 is there. Then you divide with root 2. X by a into 1 by root 2 plus y by b into 1 by root 2 is equal to 1. Is it okay now? Definitely okay. Now you compare these two then. What will happen? Cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Sin theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Are these equal to 1 by root 2 or not? Definitely. Why? Because those are cos theta and what we can say, sin theta only. Okay? X by a is there, cos theta in place of cos theta 1 by root is there, y by b is there, in place of sin theta 1 by root is there, 1 is 1, match it. Now you tell me where theta 1 by root 2 in cos and sin both 45 degree. Why? Because cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, sin pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2. That means theta we can say 45 degrees. C is your answer. Okay? Let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 22, Eamcet 2018 question. A variable tangent to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 makes intercepts on both axes. Okay? The locus of the midpoint of the portion of the tangent between coordinate axes is what, like they are asking. You see, unless I draw figure, you cannot understand it properly. Let me draw figure first of all. Say this is what we can say, ellipse. Like this ellipse is there. See, tangent means it has to touch at ellipse at only one point, and it is also touching both coordinate axes. You see what I am writing now? Is it okay? Is it a tangent? Let us think that it is touching only at one point. But this point may not be the midpoint. That you have to understand carefully. Okay? In x-axis it is touching at A, in y-axis it is touching at B, like you think. Coordinates, what we are going to take as per our experience? We have to take this as A by cos theta, B as C. This is 0. That means here this is 0, B by sin theta. You understand this? These are the coordinates. Coordinates of the tangent. Whenever these are touching at coordinate axis, points, coordinate points. That means coordinate axis where it is touching, A by cos theta 0, B by sin theta. Why? Because B is at 0, X is 0, B is B by sin theta, Y is 0, A is 0 by sin theta. This is origin, this is ellipse, this is tangent. Okay. Now see, midpoint of this, how you are going to find? Let midpoint comma h comma k is equal to, midpoint you take as h comma k. Why? Because see, it may not be the tangent point. Okay, midpoint I am writing. Midpoint locus they are asking. Midpoint if it is h comma k, then how can you find h? H is equal to see 0 plus a by cos theta divided by 2. This is h. Then what will be k? K is equal to b by sin theta plus 0 divided by 2. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Now finalize this. This is h is equal to a by 2 cos theta, comma k is equal to b by 2 sin theta. See, this is the midpoint. Okay, see this here. H is equal to a by 2 cos theta, k is equal to b by 2 sin theta. How I am changing these equations, you see. Now, cos theta is equal to a by 2h, okay, comma, sin theta is equal to b by 2k, okay. Now we know cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, write down. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 implies a square by 4h square plus b square by 4k square is equal to 1. Okay, a square by 4h square plus b square by 4k square is equal to 1. You see, 4 I am taking common and sending, like LCM I am sending this side. What will happen? A square by h square plus b square by k square is equal to 4. Okay, this 4 LCM I have multiplied with this 4. Now see, hk what? Hk is like x and y. See, if you want to write locus means you have to replace h as x and k as y. Implies a square by x square plus b square by y square is equal to 4. This is the locus. Okay, a square by x square plus b square by y square is equal to 4 is the locus of this tangent. Okay, let us go for next question. Okay, see, 23rd question. If alpha, beta are the eccentric angles of the extremes of a focal chord of an ellipse. Okay, that ellipse they have given x square plus 4y square is equal to 4. That we will make in standard form. Then root 3 times cos alpha plus beta is equal to how much, like they are asking. You see, directly you don't get this. So you have to go inside, then only you are able to understand this. You see, focal chord, we know S is focus. Focal chord extreme ends angles they are telling. Okay, let it be those angles. And see, let us find focal chord first. Let me write this equation. You see what is that equation? X square plus 4y square is equal to 4. I am dividing with 4 gives x square by 4 plus y square by 1 is equal to 1. Okay. Now a square is equal to 4 or a is equal to 2, b square is equal to 1 or b is equal to 1. Okay, now you can find even e also. But because for finding focal chord you require e. E is equal to a square minus b square by a square under root. That is equal to 4 minus 1 by 4 under root. That is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay. E is root 3 by 2. What about S? S is equal to AE comma 0. Why? Because see, this is at origin, what we can say. Center is origin only, 0 only. Okay, that is why AE 0 directly you can write. Major axis is x axis. A is greater than B. Okay, AE 0. Then how can you write AE 0 means? A is how much? 2 into E is root 3 by 2. 2 going to get cancelled, 0. That means see, root 3 comma 0 is your focal chord. Yes. Okay, focal, not focal chord, focus. Focus is root 3 comma 0. This is common. It is a point. Okay. Now you see, extremes of focal chord
angles they are giving alpha, beta, and if you find the equation of focal chord, that equation is passing through this focus, definitely, then you find that equation. Do we have any formula for the equation? Definitely we are having formula for equation. If alpha, beta are the angles of this extreme angles of focal chord, then how I am writing, you see. X by A cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus y by B sin alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to cos of alpha minus beta by 2. This is the formula, equation, theorem, property, whatever it may be, okay? X by A cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus y by B sin alpha plus beta by 2. Both are plus alpha plus beta, this plus. Equal to cos of alpha minus beta by 2. Okay, now you see here root 3 cos alpha plus beta by 2 is there. Here this will come. You see first what I am doing. Okay, now you see this is the equation. This equation is what? Chord equation. This equation are line passing through root 3 2. Okay, I am writing, you see, at root 3 comma 0. Okay, this is standard. You first you have to write, then you apply. Wherever x is there, you apply root 3. Wherever y is there, you apply 0. That means this is 0 means this is entire going to become 0. That means x means root 3 by a means 2. A means 2 cos of alpha plus beta by 2 plus 0. Why 0? Y is 0 there. That is why this is going to become 0. Is equal to cos of alpha minus beta by 2. Comma you keep. Why? Because this is 0. See now, shall I transfer this root to that side? Definitely. Then what I am writing, you see, root 3 cos alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to 2, you multiply this side. 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2. Okay? 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2. This is answer. That means, see, this they are asking root 3 cos alpha plus b by 2. 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2 is your answer. Okay? Take this, we will go for next question. Okay, see question number 24. This is a little bit bigger question. Eamcet 2018 question. If 4x plus y plus p equal to 0 is a tangent to the ellipse, 2x square plus 3y square is equal to 3. Okay? This is a line tangent. Normally line is a tangent. It can be. And 16x plus qy plus 14 equal to 0 is a normal to the ellipse. This is another ellipse. Normal. Okay? Then p plus q is equal to how much, like they are asking. You see, logically if you see here p they have not given. P value you can find. Again q they have not given. Q value you can find. You have to add both of them. But here see, tangent means until now we have done questions and we know very well c square is equal to square root of a square m square plus b square. Or else c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. It has to come. Based on that you are going to get the p value. But how you are going to get this q value for normal? For normal, do we know any formula? For normal, see what I am writing. If Lx plus my plus n equal to 0 is normal to ellipse. Which is ellipse? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. If this is normal to this, then equation of normal is equal to, or implies, is equal to, don't write, implies you write. What is this? A square by m square plus b square by m square is equal to a square minus b square whole square by m square. A square by m square plus b square by m square is equal to a square minus b square whole square by m square. See, L, M, N matched A, B have come. Okay? A square, B square will come from here. L, M, N will come from here. Okay? See, this equation is also in L, M, N like form only. Okay? First we will do this. This is very easy. First we will do this. Why? Because we are going to get to Q value. Afterwards we will get that value. What we can say. P and Q we have to add. P plus Q they are asking. Let me do first that value only. See first what is this? X square plus 3y square is equal to 3 implies, with 3 I am dividing, x square by 3 plus y square by 1 is equal to 1. Okay? And now, if this is the equation of ellipse, Then tangent they are giving. What is this tangent? Tangent is, you see, 4x plus y plus p equal to 0 implies y is equal to minus 4x minus p. Okay. Now you tell me what is m? M is minus 4 slope. Okay. Why see if this is tangent to this, so what is the formula? C or c square I am writing directly. A square m square plus b square. Okay. Okay. What is c square? P square. Well, because mx plus c. C is p here. C. Okay. That means c minus p square means shall I write p square directly when you square. Okay. Equal to a square. What is a square? A square is 3. 3 into m square. What is m? M is minus 4. Minus 4 square 16 plus b square 1. Okay. Now you see p square is equal to 48 plus 1 49 or p is equal to 7. That means see one value you have got. P plus q they are asking, p you have got. But we have to find the q. This is a little bit tricky. Finding q is a little bit tricky. Why? Because see bigger numbers will come. Some calculations you have to do. Let us do. Okay, now go back here. See equation of normal in front of you, equations are there. See what I am writing now. First you transfer this, convert this equation. X square, second equation, x square plus 8y square is equal to 33, or else x square by 33 plus y square by 33 by 8 is equal to 1. That is why this is little bit tricky. Now see, we have divided with 33. 33 will come, but after 33, 8 will come. Okay? In this form only outright. This intercept is 33 by 8. 1. This is ellipse. What is the Lx plus my? This one. 16x plus qy plus 14 equal to 0. You see here, L is 16, m is your q. M is your q. Q only how to find. N is 14. Okay? Now substitute. Substitute in this equation. This is normal equation. A square. A square means what? 33 square. By L square. L square means 16 square. Plus B square. B square means you see 33 by 8 square. Okay? 33 by 8 square divided by m square. See what is m? Q square. That only you require. Q square is equal to, see, a square minus b square. See 33 minus 33 by 8 but whole square. Sorry, this is a square directly. We have forgotten. See, x square by a square. A square is this one. But b square you have to make, what we can say here, L square you have to make a square. Why? Because this is L only, but this is a square. I have forgotten. This is b square. B square is 33 by 8 only. You need a square again. Okay? Here also, here you have to a square minus b square whole square divided by n square. What is n? 14. 14 square. Okay? Now you have to solve this. See, p is 7. You don't forget. Then we may have to rub also. Let us proceed further. Okay? Okay. Now, see here, except q square remaining all are numbers only, you can find q square value. Q square value, if you find automatically q value, you can find q value, p plus q you have to add. Okay. Now you see 33 q square, write down. 33 q square plus, you see, 16 square into 33 by 8. 16 square into 33 by 8 whole divided by 16 square by q square. 16 square into q square. Is it okay? First you see. Why? Because 33 into q square This bracket we don't require. Why? Because directly this is a square only, this is b square only. Okay. 33 into q square plus 16 square into 33 by 8. Whole divided by 16 square into q square. This side. But this side a little bit 8 into 33 minus 33. 8 into 33 minus 1 into 33. 7 into 33. 7 into 33 by 8 we can write. That is equal to, this is 7 into 33. But you see this is square. 8 into 33 minus 1 into 33 by 8. Okay. Whole square. Okay. Divided by 8 square. See why I have written like this means you see 8 square into 14 square. Is it okay? First you see. Why? Because denominator I can send here. Na? Okay. Now we will proceed further by this calculation. We are going to get the value of q. P value have got already 7. Okay. I am rubbing the question first. Pass and note down. Answer should come 8. Please remember 7 plus 1. That means q you are going to get as 1. If you get to q as 1, p is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Answer is 8. Okay. Let me proceed further then. Okay. Shall I take 33 common? 33. Shall I take 33 common? Or else I am multiplying, you see. 8 into 33. 33 into 8 into q square plus 8 into 33 into q square plus or else 16 square is there. No? Why can't we see what I am doing here? 16 square is there. No? 16 into 16 into 33. 2 times it goes, that's all. We need not do much. Okay, you understand this? Now only 32 into 33. That means 33 I am taking common, you see. 33 if I take common, q square plus 32. 16 into 2, 32. Okay, now denominator is not there here. But the denominator is there. 16 square into q square. 16 into 16 into q square is equal to, now go for that. See 7 square 49 into 33 into 33. Why I have written 33? Why? Because 33, 133 is going to get cancelled out. Okay. Now 64 into 14 into 14. 64 into 14 into 14. Okay. Now we see what else we can do. 7 twos are, see 7 twos, 7 twos, 7 sevens. 7 twos, 7 sevens, again 7 twos. This has gone. Now only 4 is there. Okay, 33 by 64 into 4. 11, 3. 3, no, will not go. Okay, let it be. Here you see 16 into 16. See 16 ones, 16 fours. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Okay, see 2 ones, 2 eights, 4 ones, 4 twos, 2 ones, 2 ones. That's all. I think here denominator only q square is there. Here denominator nothing is there. Okay. Okay. Now we see comma I am keeping. 32 plus q square is equal to 33 q square. Q square into 33. Okay. Now you q square also send that side. 33 minus 1, 32. That means you see 32 q square is equal to 32. Q square is equal to 1 and q also 1. That means see p plus q is equal to 7 plus 1, that is equal to 8. Why? Because p is 7. You understand this question? Okay. Little bit tricky calculation but not that much difficult. Let us go for next. Okay. See question number 25. If the tangent drawn to the parabola y square is equal to 4x at t square 2t is the normal to the ellipse 4x square plus 5y square is equal to 20 at root 5 cos theta 2 sin theta, then relation between t to the power of 4 and t square is how much, like they are asking. See, t to the power of 4 and all it will come afterwards. First of all, let us understand this question. Here you have to deal with parabola, tangent, ellipse, normal. Okay, so all you have to know. Okay, let me do one by one. First of all, let us get one equation. First equation, how we are going to get, and all you observe carefully. Parabola is y square is equal to 4x. This is parabola. I am not writing parabola like. And point is t square 2t. These are x1 y1 point. Okay. Now you see tangent equation. What is this tangent equation? I am writing. You see tangent implies, you see, y1 is equal to 2 into x plus x1. Okay, this is tangent. Why? Because see, from curve to line it has to come. If you make it such way, then you are going to get the line. Okay, now you see y into y1 is almost 2t. That means see 2y t1, sorry, t 2yt. Because see, y is y only, but y1 is 2t. 2t into y is equal to 2 times of x plus x1. x1 is how much? T square. x1 y1. Okay. Okay, this is this. Okay, then you cancel out this 2. That means what is the equation? Equation you can say t square minus ty plus x is equal to 0. T square plus x minus ty or yd. This is one equation. Okay. See, now t square you have got. Okay, one equation. See, go for this also. But for this you require one formula. What is that formula? I am writing. You see. First of all, you convert this into ellipse, normal ellipse. Y equals 4x square plus 5 plus 5y square is equal to 20. This is going to become how? Divided by 20 means x square by 5 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1. Okay. Now a is greater than b. Okay, that is there. Okay, let it be. And come back again. See, point they have given. What is that point? Root 5 cos theta 2 sin theta. See, this is x1, this is y1, like you take it. See, the logic is here I am writing. First again ellipse and point I am writing. If in such cases, how we are going to write the, see, in the last question we have done ellipse and one line normal. But here line has not come, point has come. If point comes, how we are going to get the equation of normal? See, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 is an ellipse. And x1 comma y1 is a point. If such condition is there, what is the normal equation? Normal equation implies, see what I am writing, a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 is equal to a square minus b square. Okay? A square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 is equal to a square minus b square. You see, x, y, you don't know, you have to write x by, a square you know, x1 you know, b square you know, y1 you know, a square b square. Okay? In such way, you have to write this equation. Okay, let us proceed then. A square is how much? A square is 5. 5x by x1. x1 is how much? Root 5 cos theta. Root 5 cos theta minus b square. B square is how much? B square is 4. 4y by y1. y1 is 2 sin theta. 2 sin theta is equal to a square minus b square. 5 minus 4, 1. Okay, directly I have written. Okay, now you see this root 5 times it goes root 5x by cos theta minus 2 times it goes 2y by sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. Shall I write like this? Okay. Now you take this as equation number 2. Okay. Now go back in the question. What they have given? This tangent is the normal to the ellipse. That means both are same. These two are both are same. When both are same, how can you get x area? X is there. X is 1 only. Okay. I think I will rewrite this equation. You see what I am writing? X minus ty plus t square is equal to 0. Okay. Now you take this equation. Okay, both are same, but see x and this x you have to compare. You see what I am writing. You see x by root 5x by cos theta, or else shall I write cos theta in number, is equal to minus ty by see minus 2y divided by sin theta. Shall I write sin theta here? Is equal to t square by minus 1. Okay. Observe carefully here. X going to get cancelled out. Y going to get cancelled out. Minus going to get cancelled out. If that is the case, then what will happen? You see, cos theta by root 5. Cos theta by root 5 is equal to minus t square. Or else cos theta is equal to minus root 5 t square. Okay, cos theta. And come back here. You see here, t sin theta is there. T sin theta by 2 is equal to minus t square. Then you write only sin theta. Sin theta is equal to, you see, t one time it goes. Sin theta is equal to minus 2t. Okay. This also you take sin theta and cos theta. Okay. Now I am going to wrap the question only. Why? Because see, cos square theta plus sin square theta we will do. That is equal to 1. Then what will come under we will see. Okay. That is going to give relation between t to the power of 4 and t square. Okay. I am going to remove this question. Okay. Now you see, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 implies cos square theta means, see, if I square automatically 5 t to the power of 4. 5 t to the power of 4. Okay, minus is going away and root 5 is going to become 5. T square is going to become t to the power of 4 plus sin square theta. Sin square theta means minus is going away, 4 t square is equal to 1. This is the relation. Relation between t to the power of 4 and t square is 5t to the power of 4 plus 4t square is equal to 1. This is the relation. Okay. Now see, we have completed this chapter ellipse, and this is the last chapter, last class for this chapter. In the next class we will meet for 1a product of vectors. Okay. Thank you very much.